Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own Minecraft skin. So you're going to want to go to minecraftskins.com/skin editor. You can also just download a skin, but it's a bit more fun to make a skin. So what we're going to do is get our guy's skin color. Since I'm Grand Admiral Thrawn, I'm obviously going to go with blue skin color, so I'm going to cover this whole thing in blue and be right back. Alright, that didn't take too long because there's a bucket tool in the skin editor. I'm not really sure what all these things do. This is an auto tone. It does a bunch of different colors, different shades of the same color. So, but anyway, let's give this guy some details like hair and such. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. I'm just hoping you guys like this. Let's use this. No. Let's just go normal. Well, I mean, good thing there's an undo button. Remember that. There is an undo button. Oh, great. I was taking everything. Hang on, I gotta fix this. My advice to you guys who haven't done this before, work on one body part at a time, and since we're doing hair, we're gonna work on just the head. So, bring it back to black. Just gonna paint on some hair. And sorry if I kind of hum or something when I do this. I tend to do that when I do stuff like this. But there, he has dreadlocks or something. I don't know. We can deal with it. A very trim sort of haircut because he is in the military. He is a Grand Admiral, so he would have a respectable haircut. I don't want to make Thrawn's uniform, so let's make our own version of Thrawn, okay? Oh, and also you have this outer layer type thing. Oh, this is the outer layer. And this is the inner skin. So if you put the outer layer on, then you can add more details like belts and things like that. But for now, let's just stick with the basics. Alright, we got the eyes down. They look pretty good. This is how Grand Admiral Thrawn's eyes look, if you've ever seen him. His pupils are all red, and his eyes are red, and his pupils are a lighter red. It's weird, but that's how Chiss are. So our current skin is a completely nude Grand Admiral Thrawn, but that's not appropriate for YouTube, so cover your eyes, children, and we'll get him some clothes. Alright, I think we did a pretty good job, so now what we're gonna do is download this. Okay, it's downloading. I mean, that last bit really goes without saying, but I really like the skin we made. It's more of a casual Thrawn. This is probably what he does.